that's so frustrating. Ugh. Welcome back. The flooring is done. Obviously this morning I had to take my shoes off and see how it felt, and I have to say it feels pretty good. If it's your first time here, my name is Laura and I'm preparing to travel to every national park. I just have to finish converting my Ford Transit van first, and that's where we are today. I wanted to take a second to enjoy it before I start building, because today I'm gonna build the bench and the closet. Half of the wood is already cut, so it should go up pretty fast. I also have some little stuff to wrap up here and there. Next time I get the white paint out, I'll paint this. It's Monday morning, week 6 of working on the van. I'm ready to get started. Wanted to seal the seams so it'd be fairly waterproof. I did it along the edge of the van and anywhere that the linoleum had a seam. Broke my bit. Recovered from the broken bit, ready to get back at it. Trying to finish up my bench, and the last square is actually going to be open on the sliding door side, and that's where I plan to store shoes. Since it's going to be open, I'm trying to make it look a little nicer. You can see that everything else is just screwed in and put together. This I'm trying to finish, trying to make it kind of unique. So I have flat square pieces and this dowel rod. It also needs to be white, even though I already have it painted gray. This actually needs to be white since it'll be open to the van. So I'm gonna get those two things done before I put this into the van. I have to paint it before I can screw it down. I also need to add a few hinges. So this is as far as I'm gonna get today. I'm gonna enjoy my new bench for a few minutes, and then I'll catch you tomorrow when I work on the closet and wrap this up. Good morning. Let's check out everything that we worked on yesterday. This bench is gonna be hinged, so all of that will be storage. This piece for shoes is gonna go there and extend the bench. That will be open this direction, and it's where I plan to store some shoes. So it's good to see all of that is done. Today, I'm gonna work on the closet and do some painting. Karate lessons paying off. have second coat on everything, and then the boards for the closet are drying. It went about how you would expect, but it looks good. I'm gonna eat lunch while this dries and then come back and build the closet. Really happy to see this starting to get framed out. I'm gonna do the crossbars next. I prefer to do the circular saw cuts outside because they make such a mess, and it's so windy today that it's impossible. So that's why I'm kind of fiddling around with all of this, but not finishing anything. I've done a lot of painting and gotten a lot done. I think if I get this framed out, and then I can always do some measurements to end the day. Welcome back. Today we're going to finish the closet and the bench. If we have time, we're going to do a few other things, but those are the first priority. I want it to be staggered so that it looks deliberate. I'm just trying to decide which one and how long. The seat of the bench is going to hinge open so that I can use it for storage. And then I'm also trying to add a hinge on the front. I haven't decided what type of toilet I'm going to have yet, but I want to put it in that square. It's big enough for multiple options. Still trying to make that choice, but I'm going to make the space functional while I'm building it. While all of those dry, I'm going to start measuring the walls for the closet. Try number 18, and it's so close. I need to charge the jigsaw and then I'll be back. Know if I can even explain to you how many cuts it took to get these two walls done. And on top of that, every bit of patience I had left. But they are done. I'm going to spend the rest of the night painting these and getting the two walls done for the bench. A lot of things to get done today, but it should be super exciting. I've had to do second coats all day today. Now, as things are drying, I'm ready to put them in the van. Can't wait to see it transform, but for now, I need to get back to work. Frustrating. The frame of the bench isn't strong enough to hold the hinged door. I don't know if that's because it ended up being heavier than I expected or what, but it's extremely frustrating. The goal was to finish that so that I could put this wall up. Because I can't figure that out, I can't put that wall up. In case I have to get back in there and fix something, it would be a bad choice. It would just be bad to put that wall up knowing I have to go in and fix it. But not today. That's not what's gonna happen today. I should have plenty of space to get those clamps out, but if not, that's a problem for tomorrow. I'll see you then. Welcome back to the van. It is day 5. I'm wrapping up the closet and the bench. Left you on a cliffhanger last night, but this door is installed. It's a little wobbly, so I need to get that fixed. I think as I put the wall up, it should sure up and be just fine, but the door is in. And I'm ready to add the top to the bench. Also, at the end of the night, I glued these up. I'm gonna start by taking these clamps off so that I don't bump my head, and then jump over here and put the closet wall up so that that is done. Oh. Went almost perfectly, but I lost my foot. As I was pulling off the clamp, the foot fell into here, so that might be lost forever. Oops. Wrong bit. While all of those dry, and then anywhere that the linoleum had a seam. So